Hello children, today we will make I vowel sound rhyming word. Okay, first we will read the word ba, I, na, bin. Bin rhyming word is win. Bin, win. Bin, win. Now we will see the next word. Next word is da, I, ga, dig. Dig. Dig rhyming word is okay. Do they rhyme? No, they do not rhyme because ending sound is different. So we will see the next word. Okay, dig, big. Dig, big. Do they rhyme? Yes, they do rhyme. Dig, big. Dig, big. Now next. Sa, I, tra. Sit. Sit rhyming word is ka, I, tra. Kit. Sit, kit. Sit, kit. Now we will see the next. Sit, kit. Sip. Sa, I, pa. Sip. Sip rhyming word is tip. Sip, tip. Ending sounds are same. Sip, tip. Sip, tip. Now we will see the next word. Fa, I, ga. Fig. Fig rhyming word is fig. Fig, wig. Fig, wig. Okay, now fig, wig. Okay, fig, wig. Now we will see the next word. Next word is pit. Pa, I, ta. Pit. Pit rhyming word is pit. Pit rhyming word is lit. Pit, lit. Pit, lit. Middle and ending sounds are same. Middle and ending sounds are same. Pit, lit, bin, win. Dig, 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 big. Sit, kit. Sip, tip. Sip, tip. Big, fig. Okay, bye.